Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wix to Stripe step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix website. Log into your Wix account using your credentials. Once logged in, select the site you want to connect to Stripe. On the left-hand menu, click on Settings. Scroll down and locate the Accept Payments option. Click on Accept Payments to open the payment options. Here, you will see various payment providers. Look for Stripe in the list of available payment methods. Click on the Connect button next to Stripe. If prompted, sign in to your Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up link. Once you're logged into Stripe, authorize Wix to connect to your Stripe account. Review the permissions and click Authorize Access. After returning to Wix, you should see that Stripe is now connected. You can customize your payment settings if needed. To do this, click on Settings next to Stripe in the Payment options. Adjust your payment options, such as currency and payment methods. Finally, ensure that your site is published to apply the changes. Test the connection by creating a sample transaction on your site. This will confirm that your Wix and Stripe integration is successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.